Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on the tutorial and how to get your free replacement battery. That's within the 3 years warranty of your ECOXGEAR Bluetooth speaker. This one is series number 1 and it is also applied to series 2 or maybe a upcoming series 3 or 4 in the future. So if your battery, how do you know if your battery is dead? When you power on the speaker and then nothing shows up on the display or anything like that. And when you plug in your unit with the cable, it turns on and everything, but the battery shows fully charged. And once you unplug it, then the unit shuts off. That means your battery is bad, okay? Unless you have a blown fuse. If your fuse is blown, so in case you turn it on with the battery or plug in the AC cable, nothing will turn on. So I'm going to unbox that battery for you right now. And then afterward, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to get your free replacement battery. And you do not have to pay any shipping fee or anything like that. Unless you want to ship your speaker back to ECOXGEAR company, they will probably charge you around like $55, depends where you live. 55 plus and up, I believe. So that's gonna cost you money plus packaging to ship it back. So that might cost you around like $70 if you buy the box and everything, and maybe styrofoam or peanut to put it in, or bubble wrap, because you cannot ship it with the original box. Anyway, let's move to the next station. I'm going to do the unboxing and then I'll show you guys the tutorial on how to get your free replacement. Alright, so here we are. Let's go and then unbox this. So it is wrapping in this bubble wrap. Gotta be careful, you don't want to touch the terminal or short it. Pretty heavy. Oh. They also include this instruction, replacing ECO Boulder battery. You need like a sharp pick tool, size 1 and number 2 Phillips screwdriver. And here are the instructions right here, okay? I did a replacement battery for the ECOXGEAR Series 2 or the second version. It is quite similar to this, so all right, let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that. So it has all these pads already, exactly like the original one. And then right here, little padding. This is DBH 1270 6-FM-7. It's a 12 volt, 7 amp Henry, 20 hours. There's your positive and then a negative terminal. So this battery is sealed. Normally you could open this up. I believe those they have like 8 caps in here. That's only the professional one. They could pop this cover and then put like an acid or to refill the acid. I believe there's a pad that they remove or something. So yeah, let's go and then move on to the next station. So I will show you guys on step by step on how to file a claim for your warranty. So let's go ahead and do that so you can get a free replacement battery. All right, so you gotta go to google.com and then just go search ECOXGEAR online customer service. If you want, you could go contact them, but I would rather, what I did was, I'm going to show you guys the way how I did mine through email. I'm going to click on contact us. So this is the page that you're going to come and then file a claim for your warranty, for your battery. It is up to 3 years. If you want, you could call the 800 number over here, or over here, toll-free number, and then there's a chat with us, so you can chat it online. Our operation is Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. There's also a store locator, and here is their email, support@gracedigital.com. What I did was just type in my name. And then my email address. And right here on the subject, it is very important. You're going to put like your ECOXGEAR. You're going to put like Boulder. You need to put like a series 1. And then replacing battery. And you're gonna send in a message. You describe what happened to your battery, like hi, or to whom it may concern. What I did was I wrote them, I need a replacement battery for my ECOXGEAR. And just be sure you tell them you don't want to send in your unit. So they could just send you the battery replacement. I do not want to send my battery. I do not want to send my speaker to you due to excessive shipping fee. Please send me a replacement battery as soon as possible. Okay, and then you're gonna click on send. So once the customer service got your this message, they will contact you or return your email right away and try to ask you some question. The customer service or customer rep sent me back and asked me, does my unit come on when the speaker is plugged in? And then I told him, yes, the speaker come on, but when I unplug it, it shuts off. It does not have any powers at all. And what I did was I told him when I plug in, the battery shows fully charged. Normally when it shows fully charged, the indicator does not move upward, okay? And then so the customer service said that they will send me a battery, but unfortunately I had to wait for the battery to come in. I believe I waited about almost 2 weeks. So the representative told me it was about 2 to 3 weeks. And I was kind of get mad because I say, how can you not have battery? You are the manufacturer for this battery. But they were saying that they do not manufacture battery. They had to go through another vendor for their battery replacement or something. So I don't know, a bunch of BS. So how could they not have a battery in stock to support their customers? They say they don't have a battery in stock, but they create a UPS shipping label on the same day. But only when they have a battery, they will attach that label to your new replacement battery and then ship it to you. So I don't know how they do their business this way. So anyway, hopefully this will help you guys get your free replacement battery. And I was lucky they did not ask me for my original receipt. Although I saved all my receipt, I purchased this at Costco, and I look at the receipts almost like 3 years. So I was kind of lucky within the period. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. I don't think any other YouTuber will help you guys on step by step on how to get your free replacement battery. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.